Watch where you're going. Come on back. Pedal hard, Ricky.
Okay.
Keep going. Keep going. Put your foot out. There you go. All right.
Can I watch the movie when we get in?
Yeah. Do you want to say something to Grandpa Nana?
Huh?
You want to say something to Grandpa Nana? Go ahead.
Grandpa Nana, I'm really lucky with my bike. Sometimes Dad doesn't hold on really good. But I sometimes crash, but I'm getting the hang of it. What I mean to say is, I'm lucky going down the hill, but not lucky going up the hill. But it's kind of hard doing it. Bye, Grandpa Nana, and I hope you enjoyed this video of sports.